The one thing that you do not want to spill on your carpet, soy sauce, okay? This soy sauce, very difficult to get out. The other thing I was showing you, this jelly or jam, I don't really know what the difference is between the two, but these are not horrible unless it has that red 51 dye, like Kool-Aid, which I cannot get out of my rug. Why is that bad? Why is the red 51?
Use the same exact red 51 or any of those dyes. They're the same exact dye that the carpet manufacturer uses when they dye your carpet. So this carpet, for instance, is actually dyed tan. It's not the actual natural color of the carpet.
Okay, and so because it's the same, when you try and take that out with like water, it just makes it worse?
It makes it worse.
Could you even get that out?
Sometimes even us as professionals, there's a 50% chance that it's going to come out.
Okay, so good to know when you need to look at the ingredients for those type of things. Okay, now let's talk about pets. So we're using this vinegar to kind of
simulate.
Yeah, like as if it's potty.
Yeah.
Okay, and so this,
I mean,
this happens frequently to people. Oh, you're putting it right on the real carpet. Okay, so here you come home to this. Yeah, and now what?
Typically, you just wash a lot.
So I should not be using like that pet stain remover.
No, a lot of times what you're doing is you're altering that chemistry of that stain. Okay. So it's no longer a pet stain anymore. So anytime you try to, you can see it's almost pretty much gone anyway.
Well, but that's not what'll always happen though. Sometimes it dries because your dog's been home for a long time, and so now it's dry. And so should you put water on it, or what should you do?
Water is your best bet, or club soda, like we mentioned before, and then just use a shop vac, extract as much of that urine out of the carpet as possible.
Now you have several different machines, which I love that they have names. So we have the Steam and Demon, which we showed in the last hour. In the 7 o'clock hour, in case you weren't watching, what's the name of that machine?
The second one was the Secret Mystery Machine.
Okay, now you say that these machines are important, and you kind of equate it to hanging up a picture, so explain that.
So a lot of cleaners, they only use one type of machine to clean your carpet, and you don't want to do that because we kind of the thing that we're talking about is like it's kind of like hanging a picture on the wall. You're not going to use a sledgehammer to hang a picture on the wall. You're going to use a regular hammer. It's the same thing like if you hire a contractor. The more tools you have on your tool belt, the more you're going to be able to
see. So you need to be able to come out and be able to see. Hopefully Jeff's been able to give you some tips in case this happens at your house. But if you need his help, you can give him a call. To the gentleman who's called him 3 times, we're officially leaving in about 5 minutes. Then he'll be able to call you back. Sorry, we've been monopolizing his time. But he got your call, and he does clean apartments. So he's going to call you right back. Right back. Well, as soon as we leave,
yes,
you're his first call.
He's got you.
We apologize, sir,
Right.
for taking up the time that you needed to make.